In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple choice options in Dialogflow so your chatbot can offer clickable choices to users. This will make your chatbot more interactive and user-friendly, enhancing the overall experience for anyone who interacts with it. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your agent in the Dialogflow console. Ensure you're logged into your account and have your project ready to go. You'll then navigate to the specific intent where you want to add these multiple choice options. Intents, as you might already know, are essential components within Dialogflow that allow your chatbot to understand user requests and respond appropriately. Once you've selected the correct intent, go to the Responses section. Here, you'll need to switch to a response type that supports rich options. This means choosing something like the custom payload, or a platform-specific rich message format. These formats are necessary to create those interactive elements we're aiming to introduce. It's now time to craft the rich content for the multiple choice options. This is where you'll input something like a JSON payload featuring suggestion chips or buttons. These elements are the actual clickable choices your users will see. Each choice should clearly reflect what the user will be selecting, so ensure the text for each option is intuitive and straightforward. It's also important to verify that your chatbot has intents or parameters set up to handle whichever choice the user makes. That means thinking ahead about possible user interactions and having prepared responses or follow-ups that align with their selections. This will create a seamless flow and ensure the user doesn't encounter dead ends in the conversation. After you've set everything up, be sure to save the intent. This is crucial because, without saving, all your hard work could be lost. Once saved, it's time to put your work to the test. Try triggering the intent within the console and observe if the multiple choice options appear as expected. Go ahead and click through them to see if the corresponding response or follow-up intent activates correctly. If everything is working through these steps, congratulations! You've successfully added multiple choice options in Dialogflow, and there you have it. You've made your chatbot an engaging and versatile tool by simply offering users clear, clickable choices. In our next video, we'll dig deeper into how to manage what happens after a user picks one of these options, setting you up for even more control and customization. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.